Hey paper callers, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, the premier call tracking platform for paper call marketers. In this video, we're going to look at some best practices for managing paper call campaigns on Google Ads. In part 1, we talked about keywords and how to implement them. If you're interested in learning about long-tail keyword variations, implementing a negative keyword list, and how to customize landing pages and dynamic keyword insertion, we've put a link in the comments below. Conversion rate optimization. With call-only ads, you want to use the call length and call rate data to hone in on what's working best. That could be ad variants that generate the most calls and best call durations, or keywords that lead to more frequent and better calls. Conversion rate optimization saves money and allows you to produce better results on the same ad spend. Know your data. Data and metrics might frequently suggest things that are counterintuitive, so you can't have your mind set on a singular idea or strategy that may work, as that can quickly change. Be adaptable and agile, because what made sense 1 week or 1 day ago might not anymore. So don't get complacent. Review your data and results daily or multiple times throughout the day for the best results, especially when your campaigns are new. The data will always show you what's really going on, but it can be interpreted lots of ways, so you have to constantly reevaluate all the possibilities and try new things. Remember to always test, optimize, and grow. Track your calls. It's really important that you use your own call tracking platform. If you don't, then you can't tell if network statistics are accurate. You have no visibility into what's going on in that phone call, and you don't know if the call was legit, or if it even happened in the first place. You also don't know how many calls you're generating if you don't use your own call tracking platform. If you want to build a real business in pay per call, step 1 is to use call tracking. By using call tracking, you can keep everyone honest and avoid being taken advantage of. Ringba provides a native integration for connecting directly to your Google Ads account to automatically track and report your calls as conversions. This gives you the ability to monitor and optimize your Google Ads campaigns in real time. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.